Going to go over real quick with you what we call a hydrocarbon test, or a combustion leak detector is the tool we're actually using on this. So what this is we have a handheld vacuum pump, and this is the combustion leak detector, and we have vacuum running into the top of it. And then what we would do, we would run this engine, we'd get it running up to operating temperature, and then we would actually pull vacuum through the cooling system. Now, if this engine has a bad head gasket and it's putting hydrocarbons into the coolant, this blue fluid will change to like a yellowish green, and that tells us that we have hydrocarbons in the antifreeze. This car happened to have passed this test, so we're not seeing any bad head gaskets or anything like that. Now, this test is not a 100% true thing, but it is a good gauge for whether or not the car has a head gasket problem. And these cars, new, old, it doesn't matter. They all have head gasket issues, and this is a good way to check to see if you have hydrocarbons in your antifreeze.